Good morning, students. In the last class we discussed ones complement subtraction and how to take ones complement of a given binary number. Let us study about two's complement of a given binary number and two's complement subtraction. Two's complement. See how to find the two's complement of given binary number. See, 1101 is a binary number. So the method is, first we have to take ones complement of a given number, then we have to add 1, the digit 1 to the LSB of that ones complemented result. Step 1, take ones complement of binary number. Step 2, add 1 to LSB of ones complemented result. Then it gives two's complement. Now, let us see the example. 1101. What is the ones complement of 1101? Its ones complement is 0010. This is ones complement. And now we have to add 1 to this ones complemented number. 0010 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. So this is two's complement of two's complement. So 0011 is the two's complement of given number. We can't say directly two's complement. First we have to write a ones complement. Then to the LSB of that ones complemented number we have to add a 1. Then the final result would be the two's complement of given binary number. I hope you understood how to get the two's complement of given number. Let us do the subtraction using two's complement method. Before that, let us recall the rules how we subtracted binary numbers, one binary number to another binary number using ones complement subtraction. In ones complement subtraction, first we had taken subtrahend ones complement. Then after that we will add the subtrahend that ones complemented number to minuend. Then we will get a result. If that result having end around carry, we will add that end around carry to the LSB of that result. If there is no end around carry, we will take ones complement of given number. Then we have to put a negative sign. That is the method. Let us compare that method to two's complement subtraction. Here also, step 1. Here two's complement subtraction. First, step 1, take two's complement instead of ones complement. There we used ones complement subtraction. Here two's complement. So the method is same, but only difference is there I took ones complement. Here we have to take two's complement. Take two's complement of subtrahend. Then step 2, add minuend to the two's complemented number, two's complemented number. Step 3, if there is end around carry, we have to add that end around carry to the LSB of that result if there is an end around carry so there in one's complement, if we have end around carry, we had added that end around carry to the LSB of result, isn't it? Here we have to discard. If there is end around carry, discard it. That is the difference. In one's complement, if there is any end around carry, we will add that end around carry to the LSB of the result. That gives the final result. In this case, in 2's complement, if there is end around carry, we should not add it. You have to discard this end around carry. Next, if there is no end around carry, if there is no end around carry, you have to follow the same rule and take 2's complement of result, then take the 2's complement of the result and put minus sign. So this is the rule. So you can easily remember this. In 1's complement, we have taken 1's complement of a subtrahend. In 2's complement, 2's complement of subtrahend. And we had added 1's complemented subtrahend, 1's complemented result to the minuend there. Here also, this 2's complemented number, we have to add it with the minuend. After that, we will get a result. If that result having any end around carry, add that end around carry to the result in 1's complement. But in 2's complement, you have to discard it. If there is no end around carry in both methods, 1's complement and 2's complement, we have to take the respective complement. If it is 1's complement, we have to take a 1's complement of a result. If it is 2's complement, take 2's complement of a result and put minus sign. That gives the final result. Let us see the examples on this. Example 1. Subtract 1011 to 1001 base 2. These are all binary numbers. So from this number to this number, in the question we have mentioned from this number to this number. So which is this minuend here? First 1011 1001. This is minuend and it is subtrahend. Now, according to the first rule, step 1, take 2's complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend, this is the 2's complement of 2's complement. You have to write these steps. There is a question on this concept, 5-mark question. So you have to write each and every steps there. 2's complement of 1001 is first 1's complement of 1001 is 0110. Okay, then plus 1110. So 2's complement of this number is 0111. Now step 2, we have to add this 2's complemented number to the minuend. This is a minuend. Sorry, this is minuend. 1011 plus 0111. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1, carry 1 here, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Here we get end around carry, so we have to discard it. Discard end around carry. So what is the answer? 0, 0, 1, 0, base 2 is the final answer. You can cross verify it. So what is this number in decimal form? 8, 4, 2, 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, it is 11 and it is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So we got the same result, 2. So in which format they have asked question, that is a binary number. So we have to keep result in a binary format. Next. Now, second example, subtract 10110 from 10111 base 2. So which is the minuend and which is subtrahend here? We subtract this number from this number. So which number I should write first? This one. 10111 minus 10110. Now this is minuend and it is subtrahend. Now step 1, 2's complement of 10111, sorry, subtrahend, no? 10110 is 01001 plus 1 011010. Isn't it? So the given number is, given subtrahend is this one and it's 1's complement. We added 1 to the LSB of this number. So we got the 2's complement of this number. Step 2, add 10110 to minuend 10111. So it becomes 01010 plus 10111, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, again 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. So we should discard this carry, discard. 0001, 0001 it means 1 itself. So 0001 base 2 is the answer. So what is this number? 168421. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 2 22. This is 168421. The first number is 22. Second number 16 plus 4 20, 22 and it is 23. 23 minus 22, it gives 1. So we got the same result here. In this way you can cross verify your result. Next example, subtract 15 base 10 from 29 base 10. The question is in the form of decimal number system, so we have to convert into binary first. 29, how to convert 29 to binary? We will use a shortcut method. 168421. Let us consider all digits here. 16 plus 4 20, 28 and 1 29. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8, 28 plus 1, 29 and it is 0. And 15, 8, 4, 2, 1. Here 5 bits are there, here 4 bits, we have to balance equally. So to balance we have to add a 0 here. Now step 1, 2's complement of 0 triple 4 1 is 1 0 0 0 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0 1 base 2. Now step 2, add 1 triple 0 1 base 2 to minuend, that is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 plus 1 1 1 0 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. So discard the carry, discard it, end around carry. So it gives 0 1 1 1 base 2. The question is, in the question the numbers are in decimal form, so we have to convert this binary number to decimal form. So what is this number? 8 4 2 1, 8 4 12, 8 4 2, 12 plus 2 14, 14 base 10. See here, 29 minus 15, 14 no? So we got the same result here. Subtract 24 base 10 from 16 base 10. Which is a minuend here? 16 is the minuend. 16 base 10 minus 24 base 10. So let us write the binary conversion of 16. 16 8 4 2 1. Directly we have a bit under 16. Exactly 16 anta ಒಂದು bit ಇದೆ, 2 to the power of 4 no? 2 2s are 2 3, 8 2s are 16, yeah, 2 to the power of 4. Now 24, 16, this is 16 8 4 2 1, 16 plus 4 20. So we won't get the 24 here if I use 4. 16 plus 8, what is the value? 24. Directly we get the 24 here. 0 0 0. Next step 1, 2's complement of 1 1 0 0 0 is, so first we shall take a 1's complement of given number plus 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 0. So this is the 2's complement of given number. Step 2, add 0 1 triple 0 to minuend 4 2 3 4, yeah. Next 0 1 triple 0 plus 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Here there is no end around carry, So according to the rule, if we won't get end around carry, we shall take the 2's complement of this result. So I must take 2's complement. I'll write here step 3. 2's complement of 11000 is. So first, you know the method how to take 2's complement of given number. First we have to take 1's complement, then we have to add 1 to the LSB of 1's complemented number. 0 0 111 1. So 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1 0. So 10000 base 2. Now the answer is 8, and we have to put a minus sign here, minus 8 base 10. So we are subtracting larger number from smaller number. No, if you subtract in elementary mathematics, how 16 minus 24 minus 8 will get. Next question, fifth question. Subtract (84) base 10 from 50 base 10. Here 50 minus 84. 50 is the minuend and 84 is the subtrahend. So let us write the binary equivalent. 16, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So how do we get 50 using this? 32 plus 8, 40, so we won't get 32 plus 10, 42, 42 plus 6, 48, 48 plus 2, 50, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Here 84, so 32 plus 16, 48, 48 plus 8, 56, then 56 plus 4, 60, 62, 63, then also we won't get 84, so we have to move for another bit, 64, then 64 plus 16, 64, 74 and 80, 80 plus 4, 84. 64 plus 16, isn't it? 6 plus 4, 10, 0. 6 plus 2, 8, 80. We will get 80. If you add these two bits, you will get 80 and 4, 84, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here how many bits? 7 bits are there, but here 6 bits. We need one more bit, so we must write 0 here. Now step 1, see, while conversion you have to be very careful. If you make any mistake in the conversion, you will get a wrong output or a wrong result. So this is the step you have to take care. Otherwise, if you keep on going, doing any addition or any 2's complement, 1's complement applications, you'll get a result. Your method is right, but you'll get wrong output. Now 2's complement of 1010100 is, so first we have to take 1's complement. No, 1 idre 0 hakbeku, 0 idre 1 hakbeku. 1's complement andre 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 0 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 1 plus 0 1 1 0 1 0 base 2. Now Step 2, add this number to the minuend 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 plus 1, sorry, plus 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, so 1. Here there is no end around carry. End around carry ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ಈ ರೇಂಜಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್, then it considered as a end around carry. In this example, there is no end around carry, so we have to take 2's complement of this result. 2's complement of 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 is 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. So base 2. What is this number? 8 16 32 plus 2 34. Answer is minus 34. We have to put minus sign here. Minus 34 base 10. 84 50 minus 84. Obviously, is it right? 50 minus 84. minus 84. How much? 4 3 minus 34. Yes, right. I hope you understood 1's complement subtraction and 2's complement subtraction. So this 1's complement subtraction and 2's complement, 1's complement number, 2's complement numbers. So these are all the way of representing a negative integers. There are 3 ways to represent a negative integers. One is 1's complement, representation of negative integers. See, using 1's complement we can represent a negative integers. 1's complement, 2's complement, then sign and magnitude representation. Sign and magnitude representation. So these are the different ways to represent a negative integer. So we discussed 1's complement and 2's complement. Now sign and magnitude representation. How to represent a given integer in sign and magnitude representation. For example, there is a value called 17 base 10. So we have to convert into binary number. If it is 8-bit word length, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ 8 ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಮೊರಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಇದು? 17, what is the binary conversion? 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So 1 0 0 1, isn't it? 1 0 0 1 base 2. How to represent this number in sign and magnitude representation? that way in a in a 8-bit format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write from the LSB 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and remaining bits. How many bits are there? 8-bit representation. 8-bit alli yav tara torsudu. So among these 8 bits, 7 bits are used for magnitude. And this 1 bit, it represents sign. If it is a positive number, the sign flag, we will call it as a flag, 0. If it is a negative number, the sign bit is 1. Andre, this bit is reserved for sign. If the given integer is positive integer, then the sign bit gets the value 0. In this way, it's stored in the memory. If it is a negative number, it takes 1, and these 7 bits are magnitude. So remaining 2 bits we have to fill with a 0. So next, another example, minus 24. So let us see, is it possible to represent minus 24 in a 8-bit, that way in a sign and magnitude representation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24, 16, 8. 16 plus 8, 24, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 5 bits are enough. So among 8 bits, 7 bits for magnitude and this 1 bit for sign. So the number is negative number. How to represent? We have to write 1. So it's understood the given number is ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ LSB 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and remaining bits are 0. Okay, next. Minus 18 base 10. So binary equivalent is minus, what is the binary conversion of 18? 2, 2 9s are 0, 2 4s are 1, 2 2s are 0, 2 1s are. So 1 0 0 1 0, isn't it? How to represent in 8-bit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is magnitude and this is sign. Zero, from here we have to write, that is 1 0 0 1 0. 5 bits 0 1 0 0 1 and this is sign bit, no, sign bit negative number, so sign bit gets a value 1 0 0. I hope you understood how to write a negative number or a positive number in sign and magnitude representation. Next, computer codes. See, there are different coding systems for each and every character on the keyboard. So we have different categories of characters, that is alphabets, digits, special characters, punctuators, functional keys, isn't it? Some non-printable keys. So these are the different characters available in the keyboard. So the computer has to recognize these characters. So in order to understand these characters, there are different coding systems. So what are those coding systems? Let us understand one by one. First one, BCD, binary coded decimal. Then XS3 code. Third, extended binary coded decimal interchange, EBCDIC interchange code. ASCII code, ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. So these are the different coding systems. So the regular common using keyboards are having ASCII 7 or ASCII 8 coding system. So initially in some keyboards BCD coding system is following, and XS3, depending on the application, depending on the field, they used a different category, different coding system. Let us understand one by one. BCD, binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. See here, it is not a binary conversion. So binary conversion is different from binary coded decimal. If not only numerical values we will represent in a BCD, we will represent alphabets also. Let us start with the numerical. Example 1, 14 base 10. So this is a decimal number. So what is the BCD of this 14? Before that, let us understand what is binary conversion of 14. 8, 4, 12, 8, 4, 2. So this is the binary conversion of the given number 14. Andre binary conversion bere, BCD code bere. That is pure binary number of 14. Then what is the BCD, binary coded decimal? Each and every digit of a given number is converted into 4-bit binary code. How? What is the 4-bit binary representation of 4? 2, 1, directly we will get 4 here. 0, 1, 00, and for 1, 000, 1. So for 14, the BCD code is 000, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. You should not write base 2. If you write base 2, it becomes a binary conversion of given number. It is not a binary conversion, it is a binary code. Binary coded decimal. Idu ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Now what about alphabets? Using this 4 bits, we can code, possible codes are how much we'll get? 2 to the power of 4. ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 16 possible codes we'll get. If we add 2 more bits, ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಬಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 to the power of 6, 64, we will get a 64 possible groups, ಅಂದರೆ possible code. Along with this 4 bits, we will use zone bit to represent this binary coded decimal. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 6 ಬಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಝೋನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಝೋನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟು these 4 bits, then it becomes 6 bit, so that we can make more number of possible codes. I'll write a table here. You have to remember this table. 6-bit BCD, digit, zone and BCD, 4-bit BCD. Or character, I'll consider, everything is considered as a character, no? Start from A. Let us first write alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 9, in order to remember easily, they have grouped as a 9 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to I. Now, how to remember? You have to write a 4-bit binary, starts from 1. How to write 1 in 4-bit? 0, 0, 0, 1. 2, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. I hope you understood how I have written here, 8421 method. Now zone bit, from A to I, zone bit is 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. How to write zone 1 in 2 bits? 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the BCD of D kept? BCD of D is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. For example, face, F-A-C-E, face. Write the BCD code of this. Write the BCD code. So what is the BCD code of F? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. A 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. C 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. E 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Collect, then all together you have to keep at final. Understood? So this is the BCD conversion, BCD code of face. Now the remaining characters, A to I over, no? Next. Character, zone bit and BCD. This is character, zone bit, BCD. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, again we have to start from 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. 0, 1, 0, 0, 4. 0, 4 plus 2, 6. 7, 8. So I missed somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I missed here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And zone bit becomes 2. How to write 2 in 2 bits? 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now, remaining 8 characters. Character, zone bit and BCD. S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now again start from 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 sorry 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 5 6 7 8. And zone bit 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ 2 3 1 1. How to write 3 in 2 bits? 1 1. In this way you can remember easily. And for numbers, to remember easily I'll give like this: digit, zone bit and BCD. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Don't write 0 at the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. If you can remember easily, you can write 0 at the beginning. This is the formal way of writing. 1 again, start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 0 1 0. 8 plus 2 10, no? And zone bits are 0 0. 0 in 2 bit. Understood? So this is BCD. They'll ask for 5 mark. Explain BCD, binary coded decimal. You have to write the explanation first. It is not a binary conversion. It is a binary coded decimal. Each and every digit of a given number is converted into its 4-bit binary. That becomes the BCD of given number. And you need to write this table and you have to give an example. For example, PUC. How to write PUC in BCD? PUC. Now, PUC in BCD. P 1 0 0 triple 1 0 triple 1. U 1 1 0 0 1 1. C 0 1 0 0 1 1. So this become the BCD of given data. PUC ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ BCD ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆಯೋದು. I hope you understood this BCD code, binary coded decimal. In the next class I'll come up with the other coding systems, that is ASCII code and extended binary coded decimal interchange and XS3 code. Thank you.